Good morning friends, welcome to SP News channel. Here you find the topmost breaking news updates and you can win a wonderful gift by giving a simple question answer. Ex-President Pranab Mukherjee is no more. He takes his last breath in the age of 84. 7 days state mourning declared by central government in respect of Pranab Mukherjee's death. All government offices and institutes in West Bengal to remain closed on 1st September as remark of respect Pranab Mukherjee. West Bengal government extend lockdown till 30th September and metro services resume from 8th September. West Bengal final year exam 2020. Mamata Banerjee planned to hold university exam between 1st October to 18 October. In West Bengal, COVID recovery is rising to 81.96%. Dr. S. Padmavati, India's first female cardiologist, passes away due to COVID-19 at the age of 103. Home Minister Amit Shah discharged from hospital after post-COVID care. 4.3 magnitude earthquake hits on Ladakh. West Bengal's Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee announces complete lockdown on September 7, 11 and 12. An asteroid double size of Giza Pyramid to enters Earth orbit on September 6. Ranchi administration thinks to restart bus services. Railway solarize 960 stations, aims at net zero carbon emissions railway. NIA arrests ISI agent from Gujarat for supplying sensitive information. Maharashtra government allows hotel to reopen with 30% staff. All-rounder Suresh Raina unlikely to play for Chennai Super Kings in IPL again. In India, coronavirus infected figures crossed 36 lakhs and 78,500 new cases in last 24 hours. Friends, if you like this video then kindly subscribe and give a like cause your one like motivate me to upload another one. COVID-19 will be under control by Diwali, says Dr. Harshvardhan. Cooper Hospital's Dean denies allowing Riya Chakravarti in mortuary to file report on September 7. Indian Meteorology Department predicts heavy rainfall on September. In Unlock 4, e-passes are not required for interstate travel. In Ladakh standoff, China threatens India, demands withdrawal of troops from border area to avoid escalation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to inaugurate the Atul Rathang Tunnel in September. Delhi metro trains to resume from September 7. Maharashtra government extended lockdown in the state till 30th September. China constructs surface-to-air missile site at Kailash Mansarovar amid border tension with India. China's PLA troops carry out provocative military movement near Pangong. In India, COVID-19 total active cases almost 7,82,000 and in West Bengal total active cases almost 26,000. Now it's the time for quiz question. Who was the second Prime Minister of India? If you know its answer, then kindly comment and win a surprise gift. Thank you for watching SP News channel. Have a nice day.